a simple choice, nothing more. This or that, either or. Marry well, social world, businessman, clever girl, or pin my future on the boy I love. What kind of life am I dreaming of? I say, gimme, 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 gimme that thing called love. I want it, gimme, gimme that thing called love. I need it, highs and lows, tears and laughter. Gimme happy ever after. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. I crave it, gimme, gimme that thing called love. I'll brave it, thick and thin, rich or poor time. Gimme years and I want more time. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. I'm free now. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. I see now fly, dove, sing, sparrow. Gimme Cupid's famous arrow. Gimme, gimme that thing called love. I don't care if he's a nobody. In my heart, he'll be a somebody, somebody to love me. I need it. Gimme that thing called love. I want it. Here I am, St. Valentine. My bags are packed. I'm first in line. Aphrodite, don't forget me. Romeo and Juliet, me fly, dove, sing, sparrow. Give me Fat Boy's famous arrow. Give me that thing called love.
Diolch yn fawr, thank you. This next song is from one of the biggest musicals, possibly, of our generation, Les Miserables. Y gan nesaf yma o'r sioe gerdd Les Miserables. Un o'n hoff ganeuon ni o sioe cerdd, On My Own.
And now I'm all alone again, nowhere to turn, no one to go to. Without a home, without a friend, without a face to say hello to. And now the night is near, now I can make believe he's here. Sometimes I walk alone at night when everybody else is sleeping. I think of him and then I'm happy with the company I'm keeping. The city goes to bed and I can live inside my head. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are bare and everywhere the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own.
Diolch yn fawr. The next two songs are going to be show a bit of variety. The first of them being a slight deviation from the world of musical theatre into the world of jazz. I'll be singing the song Stormy Weather, which was immortalised by the likes of Etta James and Ella Fitzgerald. No pressure then. And then I will be moving on to a song from a Lionel Bart musical called Oliver, As Long As He Needs Me. So let's hope the Cockney accent comes through all right. So Stormy Weather, a wedyn, As Long As He Needs Me. Diolch.
When he went away, the of what you see. I'm sure that he needs me. Who else would love him still when they've been used so ill? He knows I always will, as long as he needs me. I miss him so much when he's gone, but when he's near me, I don't let on the way I feel inside. The love I have to hide, the hell I've got my pride, as long as he needs me. He doesn't say the things he should, he acts the way he thinks he should, but all the same I'll play his game his way, as long as he needs me. I know where I must be, I'll cling on steadfastly, as long as he needs me, as long as life is long. I love him right or wrong, and somehow I'll be strong, as long as he needs me. If you are lonely, then you will know when someone needs you, you love them so. I won't betray his trust. The people say I must. I've got to stay true, just as long as he needs me.
Thank you very much. Well, halfway through the programme, and the next song is quite an emotional roller coaster. It's a song from a musical called Little Women, which is based on the Louisa May Alcott novel of the same name. Gan nesa dwi'n ei ganu, Astonishing, o'r sioe gerdd Little Women. A fel y gwelwch chi, mae'n chydig bach o roller coaster emotional. So, gobeithio nhw chi fwynhau Astonishing. Who is he? Who is he with his marry me? With his ring and his marry me? The nerve, the gall. This is not what was meant to be. How could he ruin it all with those two words? I thought I knew him, thought that he knew me. When did it change? What did I miss? A kiss when I thought all along that we were meant to forge frontiers. How could I be so wrong? And I need my sisters here. If I can share my dreams, what were they for? I thought our promise meant that we would never change and never part. I thought together we'd amaze the world. How can I live my dreams or even start when everything has come apart? I thought home was all I'd ever want, my attic all I'd ever need.
Now nothing feels the way it was before, and I don't know how to proceed. I only know I'm meant for something more. I gotta know if I can be astonishing. There's a life that I am meant to lead, a life like nothing I have known. I can feel it, and it's far from here. I've got to find it on my own. Even now I feel its heat upon my skin, a life of passion that pulls me from within, a life that I am aching to begin. There must be somewhere I can be astonishing, astonishing. I'll find my way, I'll find it far away, I'll find it in the unexpected and unknown. I'll find my life in my own way. Surrendering modesty and grace, I will not disappear without a trace. I'll shout and start a riot, be anything but quiet. Christopher Columbus, I'll be astonishing, astonishing.
Diolch yn fawr, wow. Taking things down a notch now, ffrwyno hi nôl tam y bech rwan, efo dwy gan chydig bach yn fwy mellow o bosib, two songs that are slightly mellower. Y gynta nes I ganu'r gan yma yn sefyll Llangollen lenni ynghyd â Astonishing. The first song I sang at Llangollen this year in the Eisteddfod. My House from the wonderful musical Matilda by Tim Minchin. And then a beautiful, beautiful song from Ghost the Musical, penned by no less than the Eurythmics guys. And it's called With You. Felly, yn gyntaf My House, a wedyn With You. Diolch yn fawr.
This roof keeps me dry when the rain falls. This door helps to keep the cold at bay. On this floor I can stand on my own 2 feet. On this chair I can write my lessons. On this pillow I can dream my nights away. And this table, as you can see, well, it's perfect for tea. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. It isn't much, but it is enough. On these walls I hang wonderful pictures. Through this window I can watch the seasons change. By this lamp I can read. And I am set free. And when it's cold outside, I feel no fear. Even the winter storms, I am warmed by this small but stubborn fire. And there is nowhere I would rather be. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. For this is my house, this is my house. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. This is my house, this is my house. It isn't much, but it is enough. And when it's cold and bleak, I feel no fear. Even in the fiercest storms, I am warmed by this small but stubborn fire. Even when outside it's freezing, I don't pay much heed. I know that everything I need is in here. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. I picked up your shirts this morning. I don't know why. I don't know why. Mr. Reynolds said to say hello. I started to cry. I started to cry. Every place we ever walked and everywhere we talked, I miss you. You never leave my mind. So much of you is left behind. You took my days with you, took my nights with you. Those unfinished conversations we used to have still speak to me, and I write you letters every day that I'll never send and you'll never see. All this wishful thinking gets me nowhere. I can stay, though my heart is broken. It keeps breaking every day. You took my hopes with you, took my dreams all in my head, and I can't accept it yet. I'm not ready to just give in. I know that I can live with this pain, with these feelings of regret. I can't comprehend this and pretend that I don't care. Any place I wanna be, I wanna see you there. You took my life with you. Took my world with
Diolch yn fawr. Going away from the English language stuff, a dod i'r stuff Cymraeg. A bit of Welsh language songs for you in the next couplet. Y gynta yn alawerin draddodiadol, y March Glas. The first, a traditional folk song. The Blue Horse. Don't ask me why. And secondly, a Welsh pop song, Adre, composed by Carol Parry-Jones, which simply translated means home. Felly, y March Glas, a wedyn Adre gan Carol Parry-Jones. Diolch.
Gen I farch glas a hwnnw'n towli, does dim o'i fath yn Sir Aberteifi. Falarwdl didl dal, falarwdl didl dal, falarw ho ho, falarw ho ho, falarwdl didl dal. Gen I gyfrwy newi o gronoch ar mochyn, ffrwy'n dwbwr eins a gwartho asfardyn. Falarwdl didl dal, falarwdl didl dal, falarw ho ho, falarw ho ho, falarwdl didl dal. Gen I got fain o waith teulu'r Llundain, stitsio'n dyn o bwyty fy nghefn. Falarwdl didl dal, falarwdl didl dal, falarw ho ho, falarw ho ho, falarwdl didl dal. Gen I het silk o siop Aberhonddu, ffrisiwn I fawr o'i sofren amdani. Falarwdl didl dal, falarwdl didl dal, falarw ho ho, falarw ho ho, falarwdl didl dal. Os yw'r seren di ar goll ar noson di, tir dadre nôl atai. Os yw'r storm yn codi dros erwau'r llu, tir dadre nôl atai. Ac os nad yw'r wawr yn dwy'n golein i'r dydd, tir dadre nôl atai. A heddiw byth am dadail di'n Rhif, tir dadre nôl atai. poen a'i guddio a throi'n nerth i ti, tir dadre nôl atai, pan ddangos i'r byd pwy fyddi di o hyd, tir dadre nôl atai. Gadi bob un golau weli di, darwain nôl atai.
Well, we've come to the end of the set. Di dod I ddiwedd y set yn anffodus. Cyn I fi ganning han ola, before singing the final song, there are a couple of thank yous I need to make. Thank you, diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Canolfan, am bob help a phob cymorth. I alluogi fi fod yma heddiw. Thank you very much to everybody at the centre for this opportunity to Heddwyn for the technical aspect. So big clap to him. So, yeah, diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Canolfan. Thank you to the centre. Diolch yn fawr iawn I Rich. Thank you to Rich for accompanying. I've had to sing here for 45 minutes, but he's had to play the piano for 45 minutes, and I think that's harder. So, diolch Rich, thank you very much. Thank you also, she's going to hate me for saying this, to Louise Ryan, Lulu, right over there, for teaching me for the past 3 years. Yeah, it's been a long time. And she's still stuck by me, so diolch yn fawr iawn, Louise. Thank you, Lulu. Wrth gwrs, thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd am ddod. Pawb sydd wedi dod yma'n bwrpasol. Everybody who's come here just for a quick glance. Some of you have come here purposely made time out of your day to come and see me, so thank you very, very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. If you need any more info about me as a performer, there are sheets dotted about the place. Os ydych chi eisiau mwy o wybodaeth, mae yna fanylion ar tudalennau o gwmpas y lle. So diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. I couldn't do a 45-minute set on the Glanfa stage without singing something from Wicked. So I'm going to finish this set, dwi'n I orffen y set, efo un o'n hoff ganeuon I o'r sioe cerdd, one of my favourite songs from musicals, The Wizard and I, o Wicked. Diolch fawr iawn I chi, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this final song. Thank you. Did that really just happen? Have I actually understood? This weird quirk I've tried to suppress or hide is a talent that could help me meet the wizard if I make good. So I'll make good. When I meet the wizard, once I prove my worth, and then I meet the wizard, what I've waited for since birth. And with all his wizard wisdom, by my looks, he won't be blinded. Do you think the wizard is dumb, or like Munchkin, so small-minded? No, he'll say to me, I see who you truly are, a girl on whom I can rely. And that's how we'll begin, the wizard and when I'm with the wizard,
curse I have inside. Maybe at last I'll know why when we are hand in hand, the wizard and I. And one day he'll say to me, Elphaba, a girl who is so superior, shouldn't a girl who's so good inside have a matching exterior? And since folks here to an absurd degree seem fixated on your verdigris, would it be alright by you if I degreenify you? And though of course that's not important to me, alright, why not? I'll reply, oh what a pair we'll be, the wizard and I. Yes, what a pair we'll be, the wizard and unlimited. My future is unlimited, and I've just had a vision, almost like a prophecy. I know it sounds truly crazy, and true, the vision's hazy, but I swear someday there'll